Yeah. So hello my lovelies, good day. How you all doing? I believe you're all doing well and good. This is the Ijebu girl, as you all know, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to show you what I do in a typical day as a wife, a mom, a chef, and a content creator. So do well to give this my video a huge and massive thumbs up and help me subscribe accordingly. Without much rambling, talking, and all sorts, let's get down to business. Skipper.
Why not just learn?
I think you should do is 1, 2. 1. Count it by yourself.
2, 3.
Yeah, 4.
What's it taste?
Yeah. I am tired. We are warming our car. Let's warm the car. For 2 days now, I think
2 days.
we didn't use our car. Sit down on this. It's my seat. It's my set you. Enter inside your car. You're not serious, or no? You're not serious for a woman being.
Bye-bye. How are you? I'm fine. How is your baby?
Yeah. Continue now. You don't want to continue.
1, 2.
Yeah, 3. 1.
Yeah. Don't tell my. Don't tell my.
Hold on. You can't tell me this one. This one is my own. Go back. Go backward. Jumping up and down.
Yeah, shit. Yeah, shit. Yeah. What is it that you wanna have? Pepper soup or egusi, yeah. She dey cook anything, walai. This kind chef no get replicate. When she cook, you go salivate. Oh, yeah. When I say IJB, you say Sisiijebu'scorner. When I say kitchen, oh. Yeah, shit, oh. Yeah. What is it that you wanna have? Pepper soup or egusi, yeah. She dey cook anything, walai, oh, walai. This kind chef no get replicate. When she cook, you go salivate. Oh, yeah. When I say IJB, you say Sisiijebu'scorner. When I say Sisiijebu'scorner, kitchen, taking over the world right now, taking over the world right now, hey, world right now, yeah, we're taking over the world right now, world right now, world right now, we're taking over the world right now, we're taking the world right now, we're taking over the world right now, the world, yeah, shit, What is it that you wanna have? Pepper soup or egusi, yeah. She dey cook anything, walai, oh, walai. This kind chef no get replicate. When she cook, you go salivate. Oh, yeah. When I say IJB,